Hello, I'm Paul from PowderByThePound.com, your provider for all things powder coating, whether it be powder coating powders, powder coating equipment, or powder coating supplies. Today, we are highlighting a non-OEM Wagner X1 hose connector for the D10 through D12 assembly. Wagner part number 02322761. PBTP SKU is SKU 3676. To purchase this item and browse all of our other items available on PowderByThePound.com, click here. If you would like to see some of our other product videos, click here. To keep up with all our new videos, please subscribe to our channel by clicking here.